Design thinking is more than a method. It's a mindset that helps students become confident, creative thinkers, ready for real-world challenges. It encourages empathy, teamwork, and resilience. Skills that every young person needs in today's fast-changing world. In Global Innovators, design thinking is built into every project, guiding students step by step through creative problem solving. As a teacher, you can implement it easily. Start with real-world problems, encourage student voice, and support hands-on projects. The course materials give you step-by-step guides and tools to inspire innovation in your classroom. Empower your students to think like innovators. Explore Global Innovators. Design your thinking. Bring ideas to life.